Welcome, dear students. Let's see. I will talk about circulatory system. As all of you know, we have different systems which are performing different functions in an organism to carry out different life processes. So the systems which are present inside an organism, such as a respiratory system, such as nervous system, such as this respiratory system, nervous system, digestive system. Similarly, circulatory system is one such system which perform different functions inside the body of an organism. Before going into detail, we must know what the circulatory system is, what are its constituents, and what makes up the circulatory system of an organism. When we talk of circulatory system, first of all, we must know what is the function of circulatory system. Circulatory system is the system which helps in the circulation, which helps in the transport of materials, transport of substances within the body of an organism. We can say it is the circulation of fluids within the body of an organism, and the system under which the circulation takes place, that is known as circulatory system. For the circulatory system, we have different organelles which makes up the system. In this circulatory system, we have heart, we have blood vessels, we have blood. So, before going further, the circulatory system, we have two different types of systems which depends upon the mode of this medium, on the mode of medium or the medium which helps in the transportation. On that very basis, we have two different types of circulations. Number one is water circulatory system. Number second is blood vascular system. In case of water circulatory system, water acts as the mode of transportation. Water helps in the transport of materials within the body of an organism, such as in hydra, in case of slime molds. And in case of blood vascular system, blood acts as the mode of transportation. Blood helps in the transport of materials within the body of an organism. This blood circulatory system, it's further up two types. One is open circulatory system. Number second is closed type of circulatory system. If we talk of this open type of circulatory system, in open type of circulatory system, we does not have heart there. In case of open circulatory system, the blood moves within the body of an organism through vessels, and there are certain pores on the body of an organism through which the oxygen comes in contact with blood, which is present inside the body of that very organism. If we talk of this closed circulatory system, such as in humans, we have closed type of circulatory system. We have a well-developed pumping organ, which is known as heart is there, blood vessels are there, capillaries are there, blood is there, which is transported by heart through capillaries, through various blood vessels, and it reached each and every part of body. This closed type of circulatory system, it was found by William Harvey in 1628. William Harvey in 1628. So the circulatory system, its different parts are blood. We have blood in circulatory system. We have heart. We have various types of blood vessels such as arteries, veins, and we have capillaries. So the different parts which makes up the circulatory system are blood, heart, arteries, veins, or you can say blood vessels. First of all, we will look upon this blood, what this blood is. Blood, it's a red colored pigment. It's a red colored liquid present inside the body of an organism, which helps in the transport of oxygen and other substances within the body of an organism. This blood, it is red colored pigment. As I told you, it's red colored pigment. Its red color is due to the presence of a pigment which is known as hemoglobin. This hemoglobin, it is present inside RBCs, which are the part of the blood. So it's red in color due to the presence of a pigment that's known as hemoglobin. This hemoglobin is responsible for carrying oxygen to the parts of the body. This blood, it's a connective tissue. It's present inside the body of an organism. It's a connective tissue. So the blood, it helps in transport of various materials. Oxygen transportation takes place. Waste materials are transported with the help of this blood, and other hormones, other substances are transported with the help of blood. Now the constituents of blood. We have different constituents of blood. We have different constituents of blood, such as we have plasma in case of blood. We have RBCs there. We have WBCs there. We have RBCs, we have WBCs, and we have platelets. When we talk of these RBCs, these are red blood cells which are present or which are made inside the bone marrow of an organism. These red blood cells, the life period of these red blood cells is 120 days. They lack nuclei. That is why their lifespan is less. White blood cells, the main function of this white blood cell is to provide protection to